In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import shapes in TinkerCAD. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is log into your account on tinkercad.com and then create a new design. So from here, you have the three opportunities up here, either send to, export, or import. And you need to click import 3D files up here. Then from here, you get two options. You can either choose a file directly from your library, or you can choose from URL. And down here it say that Tinkercad supports STL files, OBJ files, and SVG files. And the files need to be up to 25 megabytes. And then you can just choose file here, and then you can choose your shape or your file, and then click open, and then this shape should come into your workplace here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!